Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2004 Honda Civic, and we are just going to replace the cabin air filter. So let's get started. So as you can see in here, I got the new air filter. So it's CF 10135, it's a Fram. Okay, so location of your cabin air filter is on the glove box, passenger side. So basically just remove everything in here. Then there's a, what's this, a tub. I think you need, hold on, you need something, flat screwdriver. So we'll be using this. So, flat screwdriver you can use also. Just be very careful because this is plastic. Sometimes it's hold on, I think you gotta, okay, gotcha. So use this, and then I think you gotta pull it down. Nope, no, not pull it down like this. Oh, there you go. So be careful not to break it because it's a plastic. And second one right here, same thing, like that. And then slowly. So I need my other hand. Okay, go. There you go. Then location of your cabin air filter right here. There you go. And then I think there's one more. Yeah, two of them. So pull the first one. So remember the arrow. The arrow is going down. So, wow, look at that. Super dirty. One, and then second one is right here. Go. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. That's how it looked like. So it's very important to replace your cabin air filter probably once a year, because it's only cost me 10 bucks Canadian dollar on sale. So for 10 bucks a year, not that bad, right? So let's open this. So you see that airflow, so it should be like that. Same thing with the other one. Okay, now let's remove the first one. Wow. Whew. Oh my god. Clean this up. Stuff it on the floor. And then get those one. Just put it on. Like that. Make sure it's clean. Nice. Perfect. Okay, now insert it. So again, airflow is going down the arrow. So like that. Then slide it There you go. Alright. Second one, of course, same thing. Then tap this. Alright. More. Then new one. There you go. Perfect. Make sure it's clean. Yep, it's clean. Now, set it. Perfect. Then of course, cover. You gotta insert it there. There you go. Alright, now it clicks. Then, of course, put this on. See that? Alright, so I already put on this. You will figure it out when you change your, it's super easy. Just insert it on the hole, and there you go. So that's your cabin air filter. So again, it's very important to replace your cabin air filter once a year. Look at this. Alright, now we can, breathe fresh air because you're the brand new cabin air filter. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.